I'm showing a house to one of my investors, and I'd have to say this is one of the how do I put this nicely, pieces of garbage I've ever been. This one really tops it off right here. There's a dead animal under this bed. It's crazy. Oh, you can't see this, but the steps going upstairs are gone. Yeah, the bathroom's okay. You can just clean up those tiles. Good to go. Kitchen. Yeah, this house is really messed up. Look at that. Washer and dryer come with the house. Fridge is here. Stove. Have a stove there too for heat. This part looks better. Look at this. Fine detail. Beautiful. The house is outsides. And this part's cool. A little moss on the roof. Plenty of land. I'm thinking the right person's gonna spend 100 grand over here, rehab this bad boy, and have a nice property to sell or live in. But this is scary. Better than the last one. I showed an investor where there was crap all over the floor. Literal crap. Like someone was dumping on the floor.